Hello everyone, welcome to Mokshika Academy YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to learn the current affairs of the month March 2021. Under the Insurance Amendment Bill 2021, FDI limit in insurance sector has been increased to what percentage? 74%. Who launched the Catch the Rain campaign on the occasion of World Water Day? Narendra Modi. Recently, the Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Amendment Act 2021 was introduced in the Lok Sabha for the amendment in which Act? Delhi National Capital Territory Government Act 1991. Which two Indian mountaineers have made a 24-hour record to stay on Mount Kilimanjaro, the highest peak of the continent of Africa? Rothan Skillary and Anu Yadav. Who became the youngest person in the world to successfully climb Mount Kilimanjaro, Africa's highest mountain peak? Virat Chandra, 7 years from Telangana state. Who announced the vehicle scrapping policy in the Lok Sabha? Nitin Gadkari. The Parliamentary Committee has recommended the government to reduce the age of the civilian from 18 to what under the POCSO Act? 16 years. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Stop TB Partnership Board? Dr. Harshavardhan. Recently, who resigned from the post of Principal Advisory to Prime Minister Modi? P.K. Sinha. When was the Satya Academy Award instituted? 1954. Who is known as Satellite Man of India? Udupi Ramchandra Rao. With which space agency ISRO developed a synthetic aperture radar to take high quality photographs? NASA. Google for India launched Women Will Web platform on the occasion of Women's Day. Who is the current CEO of Google? Sundar Pichai. Where did India rank in the Economic Freedom Index 2021? 121th, 26th in Asia Pacific. Maitri Setu between India and Bangladesh was inaugurated by whom? PM Narendra Modi. Lok Sabha TV and Rajya Sabha TV have been merged into one channel, which will now be known as Sansad TV. Recently, who launched Sugamya Bharat app? Tawarchand Gillot, Union Social Justice and Empowerment Minister. Who developed varieties of wheat and paddy with vitamin D? Chintala Venkat Reddy of Hyderabad. Where has the Indo-Korean Bilateral Friendship Park been inaugurated? Delhi. Recently, who successfully tested free space quantum communication? ISRO. Where will Geo Imaging Satellite GISAT 1 be launched by ISRO? Sri Harikota Space Center. Recently, which Union Minister launched IEPFA mobile app? Nirmala Sitaram. IEPFA means Investor Education and Protection Fund Authority. The bacteria were named after which Indian scientist on the International Space Station? Dr. Syed Ajmal Khan, professor at Annamalai University, Tamil Nadu. The world's highest railway bridge is being built on which river? Chenab River, that is in Jammu and Kashmir. Recently, which state cabinet has approved the Penal Law Bill 2021? Madhya Pradesh. In which state was the program called Gaharaki Pahachan Chalik started? Uttarakhand. The famous religious festival of women Attakalo Pongal is celebrated in which state? Kerala. Where was the recently celebrated 2D Jaggery festival? Lucknow. Night safari in three national park was started in which state? Madhya Pradesh. India's first forest medical center has been opened in which state? Uttarakhand. Recently, which state is planning to legalize cannabis cultivation? Himachal Pradesh. Recently, which union territory has presented patriotic budget? Delhi. Who has been appointed to the post of Chief Minister of Uttarakhand? Shri Tirath Singh Rawat. The first milk ATM of Jammu and Kashmir has been set up in which district? Pulwama. Kalivalli Lake will be converted into a bird sanctuary. In which state is this lake located? Tamil Nadu. Where was the Hearth festival celebrated recently? Jammu and Kashmir. A farmer from which state built a solar car? Odisha. India's largest floating solar power plant is being set up in which state? Telangana. Which became the first state in the country to adopt the Race to Zero campaign? Chhattisgarh. Which state has been declared the model state of One Dhan development program? Manipur. Chief Minister Chiranjeevi Yojan will be launched in which state? Rajasthan. Which state government has announced the establishment of 3-pack women's battalion in the name of women warriors? Uttar Pradesh. Which state government has started the summer campaign? Jharkhand. Recently, which state became the first Indian state to implement the ethanol promotion policy? Bihar. Which state is going to start India's first government-run animal ambulance network? Andhra Pradesh. Banana Mahotsav was organized in which state? Uttar Pradesh. Recently, which state government has announced the opening of 100 nursery sports academies to attract children towards sports? Rajasthan. These are the major topics from the month of March. If anyone wants to download the PDF, the above link has been provided. Please download our Mokshika Academy app and you can purchase the PDF in that app. If you like the video, please click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.